completed and foundation stone is being laid. Why we have requested you all to come in such a short time. So, my name is Jyoti Kumar. I am India Limited. I sit in corporate office in New Delhi, and this curtain raiser press briefing, which is related with me. Let me introduce you from corporate from Gales executive Gale India Limited. The stone is going to be laid. So this is a precursor of that. This is a curtain raiser press 2024 at Trichy. So many government projects from different ministry are going to be
Bangalore pipeline, that is called KKBMPL pipeline project. The for Tamil Nadu on January 2nd, 2024.
Definitely we are going to complete. அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சிட்டிஸ் வந்துடும் எல்லாமே, அதாவது கரூர், ஈரோடு, நாமக்கல், சேலம், தருமபுரி. ஸோ அது வந்து பேரலாக மற்ற கம்பெனிஸும் ஆரம்பிச்சு வந்து கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரம் முடிக்கலாம் டார்கெட். மேபி ஒரு 4 to 5 yearsக்குள்ள.
Estimate for the GA authorization for this 6 GAs, we are going to have around 59 lakhs PNG connections in this area, all these 9 districts, and at the same time we are also going to have around 1200 CNG stations. And for with every authorization, PNGRB gives a target that by this time you have to complete all these connections. So if it is completed as per the target, maybe in some cases it's 5 years, in some cases 8 years. So if they complete by their target, then all these connections will be implemented.
போகலை, ஏன்னா ஏற்கனவே அந்த இஷ்யூ வந்ததுனால இப்போ டோட்டலாகவே வந்து அலாங் த ரோடு தான், NH நேஷனல் ஹைவே அண்ட் ஸ்டேட் ஹைவே தான்.
Yeah, all the pipeline routes now have been decided to be along with national highways, state highways.
ஏரியாவிலே அங்கங்கே போயிட்டு இருக்குது ஒரு சிட்டின்னு நம்ம சொல்ல
So these highways are basically NH 844, then NH 44, then SH 86, then NH 544, then MDR.
To have such a announcement of more than 20,000 crore worth projects, either laying of foundation stone or inauguration or dedication of to the nation. All these projects are going to be announced tomorrow by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and these projects are related to airport authority and highways, seaport, petroleum and natural gas, atomic energy, higher education, all in Tamil Nadu. So largely it is going to be a great boon for the state called Tamil Nadu. So please make sure that you also come. We are organizing a satellite event in Salem. Where is the place?
Salem in the Sangagiri, means இந்த கொங்கனாபுரம் பைபாஸ், கொங்கனாபுரம் எண்டு அங்கே தான் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் அப்படியே வந்துடுங்க, அதான் நிறைய ரூட்டெல்லாம் இருக்குது. ஆமாம், கொங்கனாபுரம் எங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி பைப்பு யார்டு இருக்குது. ஸோ அதில் தான் ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஆமாம், ஸோ நாளைக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா 11:30 ப்ரோக்ராம் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்களாம் வந்தால் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லாயிருக்கும், ப்ரோக்ராம் நல்லா முடிக்கலாம். PM
we will send you the invitation also to all of you.
We will send all
invitation. Please come over and see yourself how it is going to be announced, and it's a very good arrangement is being made there, not only in the Salem part satellite event, but also the Trichy. It is going to be telecast, live telecast will be there, and all the arrangements will be made. So thank you very much for
Okay. Tomorrow is going to be a very momentous occasion for this region, because our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is going to inaugurate many projects, lay the foundation stone for many projects, and also dedicate many projects to the nation. These projects are going to be worth more than 20,000 crores. And these projects are basically going to be related with many industries. And out of these projects, I'm happy to share that one of the very prestigious project belongs to GAIL India Limited. That project is basically a natural gas pipeline project having length of around 294 kilometers and is going to supply around 4 million standard cubic meter of gas every day. This gas will be used for various CGD companies, and in that region there are 6 GAs